Hi guys, for this one we're going to look at the activity for April 9th, which is the writing variable equations game. When you look at it in Schoology, there's a link. You're just going to click the link and it's going to open a new tab for you. Sometimes it pops up with a ad and you might have to watch the ad a couple of times. For me, I actually had to refresh it. Just be patient with it if you have to open it up a second time. So what you're going to be doing for this one is you're going to be matching equations to represent a situation that you're given. So this one says Lily has 7 guests over and gives each one the same amount of treats. Lily gives a total of 56 treats away. Choose the equation that represents this. So I need to come down here and look at all of my options, and I'm going to choose the one that fits this situation. So there's a couple of nice things about this website. The first is I can have the question read to me, so I can always click this button here. And the other thing I can do is I have a scratch pad, so I can actually write over top of this. So I'm going to use that right now just to help me, to kind of pick out some important information. So I'm going to look at this again. It says Lily has 7 guests over and each one gives each one the same amount of treats. So I know that for each of these 7 guests, okay, she's going to give them each some number, okay, same amount of treats. Okay, it doesn't tell me how much each person is getting. So it could be 1, it could be 5, it could be 23. Lily gives a total of 56 treats away. So that's my ending point. That's how much she gave away. Choose the equation that represents this. So let me think about what I have. I'm starting with 7. I'm giving stuff away. So something is happening. And then I'm ending up at 56. Okay, so I'm going to think about what it would mean for this problem. So 7 guests over gives each one the same amount. So I'm going to be looking at things in groups of. So if she gave each one 1, then I know that it would be 7 groups of 1. If she gave each one 2, it would be 7 groups of 2. And when I think of that groups of, I think of multiplication. So I know I'm going to be multiplying. And I know I'm trying to get to this 56, but this is my missing piece that I don't know what it is. And so we can just replace that with a variable. And I'm just going to use x here. So I know that 7 times some number is going to give me 56. So now that I've worked that out, I can come down here to my problem and I can find that one. So I know I'm looking for 7 times some number equals 56. And I see that right here. And I click on it. And then it's going to give me another problem. And you're going to keep working through all of these problems until you are done with that level.